Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Video lectures, class 3, subject is English, lecture number 6. The book name is Oxford Reading Circle. Here I am your teacher, Ms. Saima Amir. The contents of my today's lecture are instructions for the student, words meaning of Unit 4, sentences of Unit 4, and at the end we have exercise C1 and C2. Instructions for the student. Dear student, I want all of you be attentive. You should have your notebook, book and stationery items with you. Parents are advised to supervise their children in this respect. Let's start words meaning of unit number 4. Students, here are 5 words for you and their meanings. Let's read them. Imitated, meaning copied something. Furious, very angry. Shouted, to speak loudly. Remember, to keep in mind. Afraid, feeling fear. Now we have sentences of these words. Here I am giving you the model sentences for each sentence. I am giving you 2 sentences of each word. You are appreciated if you make your own sentences. Let's read them. Word is imitated. Its meaning is copied something. Let's see its sentence. The little monkey imitated all the actions of Sue. Another sentence is, my brother imitated the singer perfectly. Next word is furious. Its meaning is very angry. Let's see its sentence. My mother got furious to see my poor result. Another sentence is, my brother got furious to see his broken toy car. Next word is shouted. The boy shouted in the playground after winning the match. The boy shouted for help. Next word is remember. I always remember my mother's advice. Another sentence is, I cannot remember your birthday. Last word is afraid, meaning feeling fear. डर जाना. The little girl is afraid of dogs. I am afraid of darkness. These are words meaning and sentences. You should learn them and you should learn the word meanings and their spellings. Now come to the exercise of unit number 4. You have exercise C1. Question here is, put the listed words under the following headings: actions, things, and description. In this box, some words are actions, some words are things, and some are description. Let's see the difference between action, things, and description. Actions are verbs. They are also called doing words like play, walk, eat. Things are the names of something or person like chair, mango, bat, etc. Descriptions are the words that tells us the quality of something. They are also called adjectives like big, ugly, narrow, beauty, etc. Now student, in this box we will choose the word under these three headings, that is actions, things, and description. First we will see the action words. The action words are think, flapping, wake, playing, follow. Now the things are arm, monkey, neighbor, hat, mother. You can see these are all words are the names of something. Next is description. Words here are large, angry, little, dark, strange. Now we will come to the exercise C2. Which of the following are country? Here in this box there are some words. In these words, some words are used for the name of the country. All these words are not the name of countries. You have to choose them which were the name of countries. Let's read this box. The words here are Japan, Atlantic, Saturn, Bulgaria, Toronto, Peru, Kenya, Wales, Asia, France, Rome, Russia. Here the country names are Japan, Bulgaria, Peru, Kenya, France, Russia. These are the country names. Other words are not the country names. This is the answer of C2. Now students, today's assessment is that you should note down all the work in your notebook and learn them. You should learn the words meaning, their spelling, sentences, and exercise C1 and C2. Students, this is all about unit number 4. Today we have completed the unit number 4. You have done the question answer, character sketch of Sue, and exercise, and words meaning and sentences also. I hope you have fully understood this chapter. Thank you.